In silence, I seek you. Waiting here, Lord, just to hear you. Won't move without you. So lost without you. There's only one thing that my heart's really after. I won't stop until I have you.
Yes, you guys, this is a collab. I haven't done a collab in a hot minute, and this is with my girl Belle. Hey, Bobo. So that was her look that you guys saw in the intro, but you know I had to put my Kevin down. So baby, that's my favorite song from Kevin Downswell thus far. The thing shell out. So on my brow bone, I used my Shades by Gal contour palette, and I use the light color that I always use. Any light color will work. Then I'm going in with my Shades by Gal what is the name again, eyeshadow palette, and I'm taking that blue. Now this blue always looks darker on me, and I'm guessing it's because I have foundation on my eyes, so it's making it darker. So next I'm going in with a black eyeliner pencil, and this is my Anco Black eyeliner pencil, but for some reason it's not as dark as it was like one time I did black and now it look all gray. I mean, I say where gray I go, where is gray going? Then I'm going to be taking this dark blue, and I place the black as a base so that the dark blue will appear darker, because I wanted to do, we're doing a monochromatic look, so I wanted to go from a dark blue to a light blue. So I'd mix different blues in there. So I'm just putting this on my lid, and I'm using a stiff brush to apply it. And the reason I'm using a stiff brush to apply it is because I want the color to be very compacted on the lid. If I had used a fluffier brush or a brush that's not as dense or stiff, then it would have kind of pushed the color all around and not place it and make it look as pigmented and as dark blue. So as you can see here, I'm just putting it on my lid and on my lid only. I'm using a different color blue for my crease. The same blue that I said look dark on me, I'm going back in that in my crease. Then I'm taking Cocky by Makeup by Visionariez, and I'm putting that right between my brow bone and my crease right there to kind of blend out the brow bone color so it doesn't look as white. So that's what I'm doing right here. So now I'm taking the same brush that I used to do my brow bone highlight, and I'm just blending out the blue because the blue went up a little bit too far for my liking, and I didn't want to have like what I'm calling it now, garage doors. So next I'm going in with 165, and this is by Kiko. Kiko, I believe, is an English brand or a London brand, a UK brand, same thing. Alrighty then. And I'm using my MAC 224 brush. This brush was a gift, and it's one of the best gifts I've ever gotten. So I'm doing here, I'm just going back and forth between lighter blues and darker blues, lighter blues and darker blues. Then I'm going to be lining my eyes with the same Anchor pencil, those same one I'm say don't black enough. Yeah, I give my next try, but him not work, so I go left. Yeah, I go left. Going back in with the 165 again from Kiko, and I'm going to be putting this on my lash line. Now, the reason why I'm putting it on my lash line is because I had used the Anchor as a base. Remember how I used it for my brow bone? I mean, for my lid as a base so that the color appears darker? That's what I'm doing again here, so that that Kiko color appears a little bit darker on my lash line. Then I'm going in with Cocky again from Makeup by Visionariez. That's what it looks like. Sorry I didn't get to show you guys earlier. And I'm putting this in my happy area, and that's right at the corner of my eyes, so that I have a nice gradient effect. So I'm going from a light blue to a dark blue. So I'm not doing 3 color blues on my lash line. I'm just doing 2 color blues. The light blue, the light blue and the dark blue. Then I'm going in with 40 Watt. This is by LA Girls. Love this highlight. And I did notice something about it. Let me know if you want me to do a review on basically, you know what, let me know if you want me to do a video on drugstore products that I love and that aren't being hyped up enough. So I'm just highlighting the area that I would normally highlight on my face to bring some light to that area using my 40 Watt from LA Girls, which I got from Fontana Pharmacy in Barbican because I live closest to Barbican. Then I'm going in with Rosy Glow, and this is my Lorac blush Rosy Glow, and I'm just applying it where normal I apply my blush. Now what I used to do my blush, what I use my blush to do is to help blend out the highlighting color. So it helps to blend it out so it doesn't look like it's just sitting on my skin. So yeah. Then I'm going in again with 40 Watt, and I'm going to put that right in my happy area over the blue that I placed. Remember I placed Cocky right there, so I'm putting it over blue so it looks like a lighter blue than just the regular light blue that Cocky gives off. So I just mix those two so it appears like a lighter blue in my happy area. So for my lipstick, I'm using Candy Yum Yum. Shout outs to Candy. Remember, I used to use Candy Yum Yum religiously. And to line my lips, I'll be going in with Ruby Woo. And this is the lip liner pencil from MAC. So I'm using 2 MAC products on my lips, Candy Yum Yum and Ruby Woo. Guys, this is the tutorial. Tia, my boo, my love, thank you so much for doing this collab with me. I love this monochromatic look. It is absolutely gorgeous, perfect for nighttime. Just add some glitter and bubble. You is the store, or the party, honey. You is the store. So this is the look. Please don't forget to check out my girl's Tia's channel. She is a really good. She's really amazing at what she's doing. She has grown so much. I love her. Follow her on Snap. Everything. Thanks for the support, you guys. 180,000 subscribers. Oh my god, guys! Hi to my new subbies.
like